How to open YouTube Creator Studio in Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search YouTube Studio. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can simply download YouTube Studio, or to start on your Chrome, simply click on YouTube Studio on top. Simply click on Login if you already have an account, and then click on Sign In if you don't have an account, and simply sign in using your Google ID. After you've logged in, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. From here, you can do anything you want in YouTube Creator Studio in Chrome on Android. This is how to open YouTube Creator Studio in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.